Carrying extra pounds can quietly steal your energy and put stress on your joints and heart. A fun reality check called Lug Your Weight helps people know just how hard their body is working. Here with more is fitness expert Fitz Koehler of fitness.com. She's also the author of You Supercharge, the exact formula for fitness, weight loss, and longevity. And she's a keynote speaker and host of the Fitness Show. Thanks for joining me. So, Fitz, what is Lug Your Weight?
Oh, so I call it lug it and lose it. So I want people to actually pick up the amount of weight you want to lose. So if you want to lose 20 pounds, go get two 10-pound dumbbells. If you want to lose 40 pounds, put a sandbag in a backpack. And I want you to walk around with it. I want you to sit down, stand up, climb steps, go for a walk with your dog, do all sorts of things as much as you can, and then eventually put it down. And when you put that weight down, you are going to realize how much better life is going to be, how much lighter you feel, how much more energetic, and how much less pain you have without all that weight. I think people just assume, oh, this weight, it looks bad, but it doesn't feel bad. No, it's a major burden. And if you go lug it, you'll figure it out.
So, once someone has that eye opening experience, what is the next step?
Well, it's a combination of strength, cardio, flexibility, and balance, having a clever workout plan, but also learning how to eat the right amount of the right food for the size you would like to be. I call it the exact formula for weight loss. It's as simple, stupid as it gets, and it works every single time.
How do people get the motivation, though? Don't you need to know your why?
You know what? Motivation is cool. Like, I want to lose weight because my back hurts. I want to lose weight because I have a reunion or I want to look great in a swimsuit. But really, the most important factor is your discipline. You've declared a goal, you've made a plan, and now you need to execute consistently. If you fall short, fine, jump back in. But it's, motivation will get you started. Discipline gets you to the finish line.
Great advice. Thank you so much for joining me, Fitz Koehler. And where can we get your book?
Hey, I love it when people come to fitzness.com. That's FITZNESS.com. All the books that leave my office are autographed personally. They come with free gifts and fun packaging. If you don't want to come straight to me, you can go to Amazon and anywhere else books are sold.
All right. Thank you so much for joining me, Fitz Koehler, author of You Supercharge, and You Are Living Well with Robin Stola.